Begin by finding a comfortable seat. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, and your breath settle. Take a slow inhale and a long, easy exhale. Again, inhale gently, exhale fully. Again, inhale gently, exhale fully. As you breathe, imagine a warm light at the center of your chest. This light represents your energy, your health, your inner balance. With every inhale, it grows a little brighter. With every exhale, it expands a little wider. Now let this light move through your body. Down your arms, relaxing your hands. Up your neck, softening your face. Down your spine, releasing tension you didn't even know you were holding. Let the light gather all the stress you've been carrying, work deadlines, expectations, pressure, and dissolve it. Not by force, but by warmth. By permission. By choosing ease over strain. And as you exhale, imagine the weight leaving your body like mist. Now bring your attention to your mind. Notice any thoughts about work, responsibilities, or unfinished tasks. You don't need to push them away. Just place them gently on a shelf in your mind. A safe place where they can rest while you rest. Say quietly to yourself, I can care for my work without sacrificing my well-being. I deserve balance. I choose peace. Feel your breaths deepen as these words settle into your body. Now imagine a boundary forming around you, soft, flexible, but strong. This boundary protects your energy. It reminds you that you can give to others without draining yourself. It reminds you that rest is productive. That healing is necessary. That you are allowed to pause. Take one more slow inhale. And a long, grounding exhale. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Let your awareness return to the room. Carry this calm with you as you move back into your day. Balanced, centered, and whole. Keep your peace. Namaste.